I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 24th of May 2021 and the day is Monday. Fine class? Okay. So yesterday we studied about the concept of the mass rule. Isn't class? Okay. I have a question in which 524 plus 48 minus 62. If you look class, we have two signs at a time. So what would we do? Yes, think up. I told you yesterday. Yes, Sadim, you tell me. Very good. If we have a question in which more than one operation is used at a time, so we will follow the mass rule. So the mass rule means, first we will solve division. Second, we will solve multiplication. Then we will solve addition. And in the end, we will solve subtraction. Isn't class? First is division, second is multiplication, third is addition, and in the end we have subtraction. So this is the sequence to follow when we have more than two operations are used at a time. Isn't class? Okay. So according to this, we have a question in which two operations are used. First is addition and second is subtraction. So we will follow like this, because according to the mass, we will first divide, then multiply, then addition and then subtraction. But division and multiplication is not involved in this question. So we will follow addition and then subtraction. Now I am going to write first, which is 528 plus 48 minus 62. This is my question. Now first of all, I will add first two terms. If you look, we have an addition sign in between of 528 and 48. Fine. So I will add both of the values like this. 8 plus 8 is 16. We have two-digit number. So I will write 6 here and 1 as a carry. Fine. For next we have 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7. Now we will write 5 here. Fine. 576 minus 62. 576 minus 62. Now in the last we will solve subtraction of this number. We have first number which is 576 and we want to subtract 62 from it class. Now if you look, we have 6 from this side. Now 6 minus 2 we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and we want to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and we want to subtract 2 from it. So when we will subtract 2, we have in the end 4. Fine. Now for next we have 7. 7 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and we will subtract 6 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 1 in the end. Fine. Now 5 in the end. We have 514 in the end. So this is all which is related to previous lesson. Now in this lesson we will start a new exercise which is 1E. And the topic is number pattern. Fine class? Now class, who will tell me about what are number pattern? Number pattern क्या होते हैं? Yes, Abdullah, you tell me. What is pattern? Very good. The rule can be addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. A number sequence following a rule makes a pattern. Fine. So we have exercise number 1E and the topic is number pattern. So class, in number pattern we will discuss numbers. Okay, we will discuss numbers. So we have class studied number pattern. In class we will learn to recognize a number pattern and identify the rule applied. First of all, we will identify the rule applied, and then we will study the increasing and decreasing number sequence. Fine class? Okay. So in this exercise we will find missing numbers by identifying the pattern rule in given sequence. सबको क्लियर हो गया ये? Okay. So first of all I have an example which is 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on, and I want to find the next two terms of this sequence. Fine? Next two terms of this sequence. So what would I do? First of all, we have three steps class. The first step is to decide if the given sequence is in ascending or descending order. सबसे पहले हम लोगों ने क्या देखने कि जो हमारे पास सीक्वेंस है वो ascending में है या descending में. So according to this example, what type of sequence we have in this? Very good. 2, first number is 2, then 4, then 6 and then 8. If you look, we have a gap of 2 in between 2 and 4, and 4 and 6 also we have a gap of 2, and as you look we have a gap of 2 again in between 6 and 8. Fine? So it's mean increasing order ये है, और increasing के लिए हम उसको क्या use करते हैं? Ascending order. Isn't class? Fine. So first of all we will discuss its rule. If the pattern is ascending order, अगर जो pattern है वो क्या होगा? Ascending order. So we will apply mathematical operations multiplication. Fine? हम कौन से ऑपरेशंस जो हैं वो यूज करेंगे टू फाइंड नेक्स्ट टर्म्स ऑफ दिस पैटर्न. अब नेक्स्ट अगर हमने जो है वो टर्म फाइंड करनी है, सो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? प्लस और मल्टीप्लिकेशन इफ द ऑर्डर इज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. फाइन? ओके. So class, if the order is like this, 8, 6, 4, 2 up to so on, it's mean the order is descending order. If you look, this order is started from 8 and ended with 2. So it's mean 2 का gap है, difference उसमें क्या है? 2 का है, but decrease हो रहा है यहाँ पे. In this sequence the order is decreasing, so we can write in descending order. We will apply mathematical operation that is minus and division. Minus and division. Is it clear class? अगर तो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर होगा तो हम उसमें कौन कौन से जो है ऑपरेशंस यूज करेंगे? माइनस एंड देन डिविजन. If the order is ascending, so we will apply mathematical operations, which is plus and multiplication. Now let's take an example. Then find the rule, then find the next two numbers. Find the rule, then find the next two numbers in the following patterns. Then find the next two numbers in the following pattern. And I have a statement is, part is 4, 6, 8 up to so on. Fine. We have to find two numbers. Next two terms after 8. So if you look class, first of all we will decide the order, what type of order it is. If you look, we have 4, the first number, after 4 we have 6. If you look, we have 4 and then 6. So the difference between two we have 2. 4 minus 6 is 2. Isn't class? Okay. Now if you look again, 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8. जब आप 8 में से 6 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो, we have क्लास क्या होगा आपके पास? 2 again. Means 2 का डिफरेंस आ रहा है यहाँ पर. So class, according to this part, the first term is 4. 4 में अब हम क्या ऐड करेंगे कि हमारे पास 6 आ जाए. 4 plus 2, we have 6. Fine. First of all, we will decide what type of order it is. अब हमने तो decide कर लिया कि ये ascending है. If the order is ascending, so we will follow this rule. उसमें ऑपरेशंस कौन कौन से यूज करेंगे हम? प्लस और मल्टीप्लिकेशन के. फाइन. नाउ द फर्स्ट नंबर इज 4 एंड I will add 2 to make 6, which is next number. Now अब किसकी टर्न है 6 की? What number that I will add in it to make 8? Very good. 2. I will add 2. Now again I have 8 and what number I will add to make next number? Very good. 2. क्यों मैंने 2 ऐड किया? Because if you look, यहाँ पर हमने क्या ऐड किया था कि 6 आ गया था? 2. Then again we will add 2 in this. ये same है. So it means जो next term I will 8, after 8 we have same difference, which is 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. Fine. Now for next term we will operations, that is plus and multiplication. Isn't class? Okay. Now through this we will find the next two terms. So this is the next two terms, and what is the rule? Rule क्या होगा इसमें? Very good. Add to. अगर आप देखो तो हमने हर नेक्स्ट टर्म में क्या ऐड किया कि वो नेक्स्ट टर्म हमें मिल जाएगी 2. We will add 2. Is it clear, class? Fine. Now I have B part. You have to be listen very carefully. The mathematical operation which is plus and multiplication in it. कौन कौन से operations हम use करते हैं अगर ascending होता है तो plus and multiplication. Okay, so we will check first of all by addition. So we have first term which is 6. Isn't class? Yes, Hanan, you tell me. Very good. Now what number that I will add to make 9? अब मैं इसमें क्या नंबर ऐड करूंगी कि मेरे पास 9 आ जाए? Very good. 3. I will add 3 in it. So through this I got the next number which is 9. ये क्लियर हो गया सबको? Now for next number हमारे पास क्या है? 9. So what number that I will add to make 12? अब मुझे 9 में मैं क्या ऐड करूंगी कि मेरे पास 12 बन जाए? Very good. 3. I will add 3. Likewise, the next number I have 12. And what number that I will add to make 15? Very good. I will add 3 in it. So by this I have 15. If you look, the same number is repeating in this sequence. और वो क्या है? 3 का गैप है. जब आप 6 में 3 को ऐड करोगे you got 9. When you will add 3 into 9 you get 12. When you will add 3 into 12 you get 15. Fine. So for next number we have to find next term. So इसके लिए what number that you will add to make next term? Very good. 3. क्यों हमने किया? बिकॉज इस सीक्वेंस में 3 जो है वो क्या है? सेम है. सेम नंबर जो है वो क्या हो रहा है? रिपीट हो रहा है. डिफरेंस उसका 3 का आ रहा है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी विल ऐड 3 इनटू इट. 15 plus 3 is 18. I will write 18 in this plan. Fine. Now we have 18. So what number that I will add into it to make next term? Very good. 3. So when I will add 3 into 18, I get 21 in this plan. Fine. So this is my next term which is n term. Now according to this class, what type of rule in this? What type of rule is used in this part class? Very good. Add 3. We will add 3 to make or find the next numbers. Fine. So this is all class. First of all you have to decide what type of order it is. If it is ascending order, so you just simply add or multiply the numbers to make the next terms. Fine. If the order is descending, अगर तो वो order क्या होगा, descending होगा, then you will simply subtract or divide to find the missing numbers. Fine. This is all. If you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. You have to solve question 1, all parts in your book. Fine. Thank you class.